We are trying to weigh all of the trees on the planet from space using satellite data. We're doing this because forests play a key role in the carbon cycle. They draw down carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and then when they die, or if they're felled, or if they burn, then that carbon is re-released into the atmosphere or into the soils. This work is beneficial for two reasons. Firstly, it can be used by carbon and climate modellers to assess the role of vegetation in the climate system and to adjust their models. Secondly, it can be used by countries in their reporting for the Paris Agreement. Radar satellites send down electromagnetic waves to the planet. When they impact with the vegetation, C-band will interact with the leaves and the very small branches, and the L-band will interact more with the bigger branches of the trees. So far, we have produced maps of biomass on a global scale for 2010, 2017 and 2018. There are also other institutions producing biomass maps on global and regional scales, and we are working together with them, meeting on a weekly basis with both NASA and JAXA in order to assess all of the maps and to then try and harmonise them in order to provide information to the end users such as countries or climate modellers.
Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.